This tutorial is to show you how to set up your Amazon API key for Voice Factory using an established Amazon account. So you come over to My Account, Security Credentials. Of course, you have to log in. Okay, and we'll just click on Continue to Security Credentials and come over to the left-hand side and click on Groups. Create New Group. Add your group name down to the bottom right and click on Next Step. And we want to filter the policy type. So click on Filter and type in Poly and select Full Access. And Next Step, and then click on Create Group. Then again over on the left side menu, click on Users. Click on the Add User, Username, and select the option Programmatic Access. Click on Next Permissions. Click on the group and then click on Next Tags. And here it reads, IAM tags are key value pairs you can add to your user. Tags may include user information such as an email address, or can be descriptive such as a job title. You can use the tags to organize, track, or control access for this user. And this is optional. So click on Next Review. Okay, so we've added the group and the user, and we've added one permissions. We've added the Amazon Poly Full Access. We need to add another. Okay, so we come over to the left side menu and click on Policies. And in the search bar, just start to type Translate. So we select Translate Full Access. Then we come up to Policy Actions, click the drop down and click on Attach. So I selected the user and the group and click on Attach Policy. So now when you go to Users, click on the username. Okay, now has Translate Full Access and Amazon Poly Full Access. So now we want to create our credentials. So you click on the user. So we're on user, click on the user, security credentials, and create access key. And here are the keys. You can download it as a CSV or just copy and close that. And now we will go to our software, Amazon API. Here is the secret key, and then click on Save. And that wraps up this tutorial.